we are running on battery backup right now. That means inverters are inverting. So let's try to do a little test with a miter saw and air compressor. Here's the air compressor. The miter saw and the compressor will be running on the same circuit. The extension cord is plugged in right there, and the compressor is plugged in right in the outlet itself. So let's turn on the compressor. We are inverting right now. Miter saw extension cord. Together. That's all running on these LB5048s. Now, given my miter saw might not be as big as some other people have it, but I think these systems are capable of doing a whole lot more than people give them credit for. I'll talk to you guys soon.